Good evening, traders. Welcome to episode 335. No, yeah, 335. Right, a TO Meme Trade. Could be doing anything, but you're here, and I'm just a little off right now. Okay. I don't know, man. I don't know how many people like check out the night stream that don't check out the day stream. Okay, because I kind of feel crazy. Oh, I don't even know why I'm looking at the keys right now or why it's up. Let me switch it back. But some good stuff happened. If we haven't seen each other since yesterday or last night, really good stuff has occurred. It has occurred. A little laggy. I hate that, man. I don't like that. The FPS chop. But regardless of any kind of FPS chop I'm getting, which I hate, I'm just going to deal with for now. Oh my god, man, it was going so well. Thought everything was over. Thought we were good. But we had the 1414 for the extension, and we have since bounced. And it doesn't look like... I don't know what happened. My PC froze when I came back on my PC to get ready for stream again. It froze randomly for no reason, and I had to hard turn off my PC. That sucks. So I don't even think I saved any of the stuff I did today. The charting I did. It sucks, man. It really pisses me off. And it should just be me hitting save button before I get up on my PC. Alright, so high volume spike, highest volume spike we've seen since the 19th of December, alright? 17th of December, excuse me. Largest spike of positive momentum we've seen since late December. So this pattern literally played out perfectly. I'm talking as perfect as you could ever ask for. Besides the double bottom, which we had an Adam and Eve double bottom here, which I'm gonna have to replot literally everything. Great, man. Adam with the V and the Eve, which is the rounded bottom. Okay, Adam and Eve, double bottom. Neckline was up here at 34.83. Measure move was hit. No need to replot it, whatever. Just wonderful, okay? It's like a fairy tale ending to so much time that we've waited, right? How terrible, how devastating would it have been if we just dumped again, right? I'm talking below 32, just like, wow, man. Completely disrespect the TA. No, sorry, not this time. Respected the living crap out of it. Alright, anyway. Let's get this in chat. I know it's Friday night, so it's probably not going to be very active. Understandable. Okay. What's up, Jules? You're furred? What's furred, man? I don't know what furred means, but I think you meant to say first. Super Saiyan. Jesus, man. What's up, Alex? True Stoner. Zed Zerps. Mr. Damon, man. Do not get wrecked. Phil Centura says, what's up, Gartley gang? What is it? It's like that. I don't know. Alright, Gartley gang. Whatever, dude. Gang signs, man. It's super freaking nerdy, but whatever. Hey, Emma B, Dan Stylus, Subi Hart, we going up or down? Hope you're kidding. Okay, I hope you're kidding. And I know you've been watching past few days or week or whatever, so you know where we were going. Where are we going now? Who cares? Right? Who cares? We're gonna consolidate, set up a pattern, and then we'll talk. It's the weekend. Trading desks are closed around the world. So now we just sit back, relax, from all the hard work we put into investing in ourselves to be able to signify and identify harmonic patterns, understand Fibonacci, understand bullish divergence, understand coinciding variables. We will now sit back, relax, enjoy the sights and the sounds of the alcohol, music, and community that we have built, right? That's the way I feel about Friday nights, okay? Friday nights, we can educate, we can do all kinds of things. I mean, dude, just in the day stream, we randomly looked at the DXY, which is the, US dollar index, and we did education on the bearish crab pattern. Right, we've done that before, but you just never know what you're going to catch. With coin requests, stock requests, currency requests, we might see something. So The show is a currency, or the show is a request show for charting and technical analysis, so don't be shy. If I don't get it, don't be offended. Alright? Whatever. Hey, James Glenn. Kang Logan. Miami Knights, indeed. Figured you'd get a kick out of that. You and Jules and MK and Yulia Guskuski. Eric Coffeen, what's up, dude? Miami Knights is the theme of the OG streams. They don't know. They don't know. Jules, man, they don't know. Oh.
I know what you did last summer.
Oh, it feels so good! Miss Cheverman, I think we all know what each other were doing last summer, and that was doing charts. Doing charts and figuring out quintuple MACD bullish divergence on a daily timescale of Bitcoin. Hitting those lows. Remember everyone was calling TA fake? Everyone was calling for my head when we made one more scrubby little lower low to give us one more form, one more layer of divergence before we exploded, and then formed ourselves the right shoulder of the unbelievable slant, or the inverse head and shoulder pattern back in late June 28th, I do declare. And we ran up, hit the measure move, then formed a broadening top, then went even higher, hit the measure move there, and that was literally the top. And then we sold off again. So we all know what we were doing last summer. Being Kangs on Bitcoin again. Being Kangs again. Oh, and there goes my kilobytes per second. Dude, I don't know, man. I just went down to 0. I know I just lagged out. Dude, now I'm like dude, well, I'm at 9,000. That's weird. I hate how it does that. Okay, I think I've stabilized. Concentrate. Okay, I think I'm good. I think I'm good now. But anyway, we're just telling the story of Miss Shaver saying he knows what we did last summer. We all know. It's no secret. We're being super sexual and bullish with Bitcoin. That's what was going on. Thanks for the contribution, dude. Kangs. Anyway. Matt Inman, dude, what's happening, man? Hey, Alex, Mangs. Well, I don't know what a Mang is, dude. Mr. Denver.
What up, El Rey? Now we rest. Glad we all waited to make moves. Thank you for all you do, brother. Now all Jesus peoples drink, puff, or sleep, but please do not get wrecked. Love you guys.
Do not get wrecked, chat. Mr. Damon, man, what do you think, dude? What do you think the drink word should be tonight? Should it just be divergence? Should it be harmonics? What's going to get people the most wrecked if they're playing the game? Okay, because we have people that play the game, the drinking game. Mr. James says, don't get wrecked, but maybe just tonight. You can get wrecked, but not with the charts. Not with the charts, just with things. Okay, anyway. I'd like to hear suggestions. Thanks. Alright. Really appreciate it, Mr. Damon. Okay. Crap. More cowbell for Julia. Alright. I really need more cowbell soundbite. Yeah, I do. I guess I do, man. I need more cowbell soundbite. Surely I do. Hello, Miss Julia. Sorry, I'm like just behind on chat. Who's got the biggest fake tips of them all? Mirror, mirror on the wall. That's right. Oh, thanks for the ice cream, Mr. Shafferman in chat. Hey, Wald Jello, welcome back, dude. I know you got some beer, dude, right? I'm just drinking Good People IPA. What's up, Rick Cabrera? Welcome, man. Welcome back. Hope your weekend is going splendid. Alright, just kind of going back, reiterating Bitcoin on my laggy chart. I don't know why. Sometimes it happens that way. It's the luck of the draw. Randomly, sometimes I'll have FPS scrub outs. There's nothing I can really do about it unless I just restart my PC, which I'm not doing that. So, wait. Yeah, no. Alright. Let's go to XRP. Because XRP is number 2. We're number 2. But price action is, or has made us left wanting. Alright. The falling wedge, the swing high to swing low of the pattern, the respected pattern, We have not even made a 23% retrace. All right, so it's not getting any kind of price action you were looking for compared to Ethereum, Bitcoin, or Litecoin. Same type of stuff on the volume. It was a lower level of volume, a lower low or a lower high, excuse me. Failed to break above the 200 moving average, where Bitcoin is broken above. It breached the 200 moving average and now is potentially using it as support. Holding. XRP made a higher low, where Bitcoin made a double bottom and Ethereum made a lower low. Ethereum was Class A bullish divergence. Bitcoin was Class B bullish divergence. And here we had bullish convergence. Higher lows, lower levels, negative momentum, higher levels of relative strength. All right, so they were all just a little different this time around. But regardless of anything, you would hope to see the falling wedge play out, with Bitcoin continuing to move up to hit our second and potentially third target. Really, really reaching for that third target, man. And it's pretty conservative third target. It really is. Okay, it's a Casey Stubbs. It's not even our 1272. I mean, we have the 1272 as a third target, but you could have that as a fourth target and have Casey Stubbs 100% retrace as a third target, right? For the Gartley anyway. So anyway, got a way to go. A way to go. Got another fib node, another block to go, right? Which is 35.45 cents, 37.5 cents to 50% retrace, which is from a high to low on your when you fib a wedge. That primary target is normally the 50% retrace. Okay, so that's really the big one. But then you got the golden retrace, which could be a secondary or third target, which is 39.7 cents. Okay, those are pretty much kind of minimum targets for wedges to give you the best reward to risk ratio. All right, anyway. Oh man. What's up, Tao L? Sue? What you mean, sue me? What you talking about, dude? Yes, you. Oh, it's what's up, Mitch? How are you? I'm doing quite well, man. As should you, and others in this chat should also be doing well. Okay. Did we double bottom? We sure freaking did, man. Adam and Eve. Tao, man. What's up, DJ Joe Public? The 1 minute candle drinking game. Dude, that's crazy, man. God, man, my neck's killing me. Dude, I don't even, what am I supposed to do here? Oh, it's such a dumpster fire, dude. God. Good Lord. Whoa, what the? Gotta say something, man. What's going on? Dude, this lag's killing me, man. It's killing me. Alright, yeah, Miss Shaffer. I'll put it on the list, alright? We can look at it. So bar the beeswax, man. Ryler. Motec, good seeing you too, man. Alright, good seeing y'all. Okay, we're going to just go to the ONT chart, I guess, right? I mean, really tough to say what else we could do besides this. It's just terrible. Real bad. Alright, how do you include any of this chop? If you were to include any chop, you'd have broken out already and kept dumping. So clearly didn't, market was not interpreting it that way. So we can check it out like this, man. Just 1 and 2 on the top, 1 on the bottom, hardline support and support. 75% support, resistance. You finally got through it, whatever. Okay, so I don't know. You could just leave it like this, where you're going sideways on higher lows still than the previous lows. So maybe we could be primed to break the upside, but currently close to being overbought. Not much, you know, going on. I guess if you want to really know if ONT breaks the upside, you've got some critical resistance levels that you just got to break. All right. Wanna guarantee is going to be down sloping. Dang, dude, you're so freaking close. Jeez. It's almost like you just had this sort of descending symmetrical triangle going on. You broke below it, and now you're like starting to break out of it. Sorry, I'm trying to get this right. I don't know, man. It was like this. It was just kind of like a sim triangle, or closer to descending triangle, and then we fell out of it, and then we have just since broken to the upside, as you can see. But if you extend this trend line out, you know we have failed to break out above it. So something that probably makes the most sense in this situation, since all that is true. How weird that looks. Just get out, you parallel channel man, and you replot that top one, and you just go down like this, and there you go. Doesn't really line up much, does it? Doesn't line up too well on the channel. Really kind of tough to say. All right, tough to say what is what in this situation, but you can clearly see it's down sloping stuff. Maybe what we could do, I don't know, you could probably get another equidistant channel and go from the very bottom. Seems to make a decent amount of sense, I guess, right? Where you just go from the high points to the lowest point, and it's just another structure that's formed. Okay. That's it, man. It's okay. It's not really that strong. I don't really know, man. If we bring it in like this, what's going to happen? 25 or 75% trend line support somewhat, I guess, right? So probably your best way of looking at it is just getting rid of this and having it like that. Okay, you're very close to breaking out of a down sloping resistance. The Momo might shift soon, so have your alert set up. Seriously, just set it up, man. 200 moving average. Look, it's like Ripple. You got to break the 200 moving average if you're to make higher highs, right? If you're to reverse this trend, the 200 has to be broken. It can't be used as a resistance and fail. All right, so what are we doing? You ran up. What'd you do? You barely even made a higher high than this little scrub high. All right, that's not even a high. All right, so you're not doing anything until you break above 64.5 cents, man. You got to get above this critical resistance area. It's not doing anything but making a lower high than your previous high, and you've not broken any kind of down sloping trend line, nothing like that. Okay, no harmonic, nothing, dude. Actually, you know what, man? You know what? Good God. No, never mind. It's nothing. It's nothing, dude. All right. Sorry, I had to just analyze that with my brain, man. All right. There's your ONT. Mrs. Shaver, man. Did the best I could, dude. It's not a very good situation. Good Lord. Holy crap, man. Oh, I'm just like scrolling up a little bit. 80s VCR was the best for you. What are you talking about, Miss Showerman? Smitty says we was Kangs today. Yes, we was. And it was funny. I remember when that 60-minute rising wedge broke out bearishly, people were like, we were gonna be Kangs. Oh my god, is the Gartley invalid now? Are we screwed? Like, no. If you get emotional, yeah. But if not, you're good. Right. Interesting, man. Some of these pairs are just not going well, are they? Yeah, I guess we can look at that in a little bit. Whatever. If we want to. It doesn't matter, man. Some crypto cotter, man. Litecoin to BTC is Kang's, Devin. Yeah, it sure is. It really is. Gotta love it, man. Okay. What about B-Chain, Dirty Fergie? I don't know, man. What about it, dude? Do we make the higher low, or did we just do nothing? Because no one's asked about it, except you. How to project a price target from a Gartley pattern. When you finally find your swing low, you go from C to D, high to low, 382, 618, 100%, or 1272. That's it. Those are your targets. That's it, man. Gold just can't bust through Wilson Sherman. It can't. Holy crap, dude. Yeah. Cool, baby. Predicted, man, somewhat that the rally would go. We never hit the 1618, did we? We got close. And then we got as high as a 1414, 141% retrace. But, dude, golds. I mean, your rally is going on, but dude, the lower levels, positive momentum and relative strength are happening too. We always normally get to move up, a breakdown, we retrace, a slight retrace, you know, like a shallow retrace, and then we run again. We either lower high, double top, higher high with bearish divergence, and then we dump, all right? So we get all the time, but gold, man, pretty crazy on this. Man, so we've got that bearish crab pattern. This is where we did some education on this, I remember, right? So our crab pattern. We also have a beautiful, fantastic looking ascending triangle. You cannot be more impressed than this when it comes to a fractal or a triangle or a pattern. You know, 2 reaction highs, multiple reaction lows. And then you've got the crab pattern, which is right at the top of the ascending triangle here. So that's saying, hey man, up here there is reason to believe, based on predictable patterns and geometry and Fibonacci, that we could be selling off up here at D, right around the top trend line of the ascending triangle. Right, Phil? Beautiful, dude. Beautiful. What a grab. What's up, Leichin? Leichin, Caceres, man. Welcome to the stream. You stand, dude. You always use a VPN? Sure, man. There you go, Phil, dude, right? Education is a great form of empowerment. Empowerment is quite fulfilling, right? Dang, dude, only 46 likes. What's up, Princess Hot Riley? Whew. Dang. So, I don't know, man. Drinking game, if anyone's playing, maybe we could go with... I don't know, man. We could go with me saying higher low. Higher low. How about that? Would higher low work? Or maybe we could just do divergence is the best, right? That's like our best one. That gets everyone the hardest, right? Where does Litecoin go from here? Most likely after a 30% run in a day, probably gonna retrace. But this is crypto, and it could run up a little bit more and then retrace. But we know that a retrace is always on the horizon. Okay. So whenever, it doesn't matter, I guess, right? Well, either way, man, it's all good. But thank you for the sentiment, dude. Thanks, dude. All right. Hold on a sec. What? Oh my God. Divergence is the imbibing word. Is it divergence? Okay. We'll do divergence. How many beers am I on, Princess Raleigh? I think like 4 or something since I started in the day stream. So only had like 1 off stream. So now I'm working on 4. Alright. But like time's gone by, so I'm not as bad as I could have been if I was like continuously doing it, right? Anyway, there's your gold. Gold is lagging on the chart. Oh my God, dude, that's so annoying, man. Come on, dude. Just killing me, dude. Just leaking. Even after a restart, too. Alright. Here's your log scale. Here's your Litecoin scale. Alright, look at your log scale. Percentage changes, not price change. Because the price disparity from late 2017, $420 down to freaking $20 in late December of 2018. 1 year has gone by, and in 1 year we've created and developed an incredibly beautiful looking respected channel, and as of today we have broken out. We have broken out of the downsloping channel, and we will soon be approaching our 200 moving average. We will almost certainly touch it at 46.88, 47 bucks. All right, right here, this red trend line will be tested. All right, we have not even touched that trend line since May of 2018. And it was only to make a lower high than your previous high, to dump again. But something's going on in Litecoin. The last line of any kind of scrubby trash support has held for now. And since then, our momentum has shifted slightly to the upside just because Bitcoin had a nice move up, okay? Litecoin can thank Bitcoin for its success, not the other way around. Litecoin had nothing to do with anything. It just shot up because Bitcoin did. Bitcoin owns Litecoin. Not like literally, but you get it. It's Litecoin's daddy. Alright. Just wait for the Litecoin fanboys to come back. Remember those fanboys, like the Ethereum fanboys and all the other little fanboy, Tron Connect fanboys that were around this time last year? They'll come back, man. They'll come back. And they'll start talking about how their coin's better than this coin and that coin. It's like, don't just forget the noise, man. Forget the noise and emotion and worry about the charts and the trend and the momentum and all that. All right. I need to drink more. That's not enough, Princess Raleigh. Okay, well, I can, I guess. Certainly. What's up, big fella, man? Is this the bottom of bull trap? Why does it have to be either one, big fella? Why can't it just be that we had a beautiful, matured, well-developed harmonic pattern with bullish divergence at a 70% retrace that we broke to the upside, and we hit our first target, and we're going for our second, and then eventually, hopefully, we get our third. After that, we don't really care. We're gonna wait for pattern development and to see what happens when we get to that third target. If we do, we're not concerned with is this the literal bottom or is the trend reversing. We don't really care. That's not our concern as traders. It's not the mentality to have. All right. Miss Shaver, you having PC issues too, man? Dang, dude. Make sure to get what's going on, dude. Hold on. Make sure you get you know, the right IT people to look at it. Okay. What happened? You're having Litecoin deja vu, Randy? Yeah. What saved me now? About what? Big, oh yeah, Litecoin pulled it out. Okay, whatever. You can say that all you want, man, but Litecoin didn't have near the amount of coinciding variables that Bitcoin had for a almost crystal ball-esque looking talk, right? Looking move that we had discussed, right? What's up, Drew Crew, man? Hey, Drew, man, go Red Sox, right? Go Red Sox. Let's look at the Red Sox. What is it? Back to back. Always happy and never be satisfied. Drew, man, thanks for being here, dude. Thanks for chiming in. Okay. Chat's normally really light on Fridays, so. Yeah, Phil, it's a good point, man. Right? Hello from Bitcoin 3K. Dude, the multiplier is very real. You can get, it's like multiplicative. You can get way more coins if you know things are tied to Bitcoin's price action and volatility. Yeah, why not take a chance on something less pure that may or may not perform as well as Bitcoin? But yeah, exactly. Why buy one Bitcoin when you could buy a bunch of Ripple or something? But, you know, if Bitcoin has a really, really nice run and you own multiple Bitcoins, I mean, that could be hundreds or thousands of dollars, just like it would be on something else, right? Bitcoin might move up $300, where XRP might move up a cent or two, right? Okay, who knew? The chart don't lie. See it for myself. All the proof is there. All the proof is there that my analysis of Bitcoin at a fully matured entry level for a harmonic bullish breakout wasn't proof enough, or it was wrong. I don't know. Who knew? What are you talking about? It. What's up, Abdul, dude? It is sure a good day today. Yes, it is, Abdul, man. Welcome to the chat. All right. Yeah, of course, Phil. Yes, percentage-wise, surely. And look, remember our trade setup that was so successful at the right shoulder at like 28 bucks, and not too far off. I mean, look, I don't know. What was it? We sold at like $36.70, $37. I don't know, man. That was a pretty tremendous run too. Just Litecoin, yeah, legged up again. It was nice, right? It was nice. Oh my God, dude. Are you kidding me? Sorry about your ears, everybody. I don't know what to do. I can't help it sometimes. All right. I just won't put my beer there anymore. Wow. Can't even use my table. Multiple people Kool-Aid Kings, of course, right? You're only here for the flannel, local dinosaur. Welcome to the flannel, man. Welcome to it, dude. Welcome to it. Wake up. Yeah, pretty much, right? What are the chances? Probably pretty decent, Mike, considering the trend we're in. Which is bearish right now, but bearish for a year. Zoom out on Bitcoin. Zoom out and understand that extremely bullish. We started at like nothing, and now we're at 3,600. Okay, so sorry, Mike Stevens. Really didn't mean to. It happens. Okay, technical difficulties occur. What's up, Dan, man? How would you, this man? Thanks, Kool-Aid Kings, man. I appreciate it. Sorry, let's move on. Still doesn't look like we've done anything. Alright, unfortunately. What a freaking disappointment, dude. People are like, ugh, can we look at VeChain? Yeah, VeChain continuously selling off, VeChain to BTC. Terrible. Very, very bad. Yeah, very little support here. I mean, a likely scenario is you come down to 102, test it again. You get very well tested again. Alright, so we broke out of a downsloping channel that extends back to September, early September 2018. But unfortunately, man, you just done nothing. You thought your Momo was shifting, but you better look. You better make a higher low than your previous low. That's all we can tell you. That's all we can say, man. Drew Crew, man. Are you kidding me, dude?
Patriots ended a 3-month Boston Championship drought. Go Sox, go Pats. Tommy 6 rings is a goat.
Dude, Drew, did you even know that the alert box was gonna be Tom Brady like celebrating? I'm sure that makes what you just said even better, dude. Right? You're like, what? Dude, thanks, Drew, man. I really appreciate the 50, the Binance coin in the jar. Dude, how awesome is that, man? You got like 3 tips in there, and it's one's Tron, one's VeChain, and one's Binance, man. And they're all graphical. They're all just special in their own way. I freaking love that, man. Seriously, so cool. So thanks, dude. Much love, man. And thanks for all your support and believing in me during all these times, dude. Okay. Pink. That was pink. Okay. So, maybe we get some sort of 95% retrace, which, that is a form. That is what we call inside of a range, right? Get rid of this. Inside of a range, you can make your partial declines where you go from the high end of the range to the bottom end and you fail to touch the bottom. When you fail to touch the bottom, you have a very high chance of running back up to that resistance again, okay? And that's just Bulkowski's partial decline. If you flipped it over, it'd be a partial rise, okay? So you're just hoping to not touch this again, but to get pretty freaking close and then go back up, all right? Just saying, man, all right? Cool. VeChain kind of doing things, I guess, right?
VeChain doing things.
All right, cool. Whatever. What happened? Oh. Alright, that's good. Kool-Aid Kings, I don't think I have, man. I don't think I have. Well, just, yeah, Mike 68, dude, during the weekends, man, you shouldn't expect too much in crypto. You just shouldn't. I mean, like any move up is going to be on pretty low volume. And like when the week comes around, there's a good chance you could be riding the downside, right? Yes, dude. Yes. Dude. Cheers.
Another 50 is worth seeing Tommy celebrating.
Tommy, a walking legend, pretty much the best that's ever walked the planet for Norte Americana football, el football. Drew, man, thanks for the 50, man. The back-to-back Binance coins, dude. Which Binance has been kind of tearing it up too, so. Binance and Tom Brady and Patriots and the Red Sox. How about that, man? Super duper bullish in Drew's neck of the woods, I do declare. Wonderful, man. Thank you, dude. Dude. I'm so cool, man. Always wanted to go visit up there in the Northeast. I wanted to see all the colonial influence and tradition. Okay, I've been to DC, but that is as north as I've ever gone. DC, never gone above it. Crazy enough, right? What's up, Melissa? Kings and Queens of Iowa. Once Jalen gets things figured out on his end, we'll have you that emoji ball. This last man you're hosting, dude. Party lights, dude. Party lights. Look at that. Ooh, it landed on teal. It landed on teal, besides man. Oh, the ticker on the gold is GOLD. What is it? Hold on. I got you, Bradford. Sorry, dude. I'm just delayed because I can't have my Discord up. It's gold mining? No. Sorry. All right. It's this one right here. Gold ETP.ETFS. Gold Australian Stock Exchange. That's what it is. All right. Party time. Besides party time. Party time. Oh my god, dude. Wow. Holy crap. Whew. Let me know that helps. Squeeze mine. Oh my god, man. Y'all are wonderful. You're drinking at a popular chain wing joint right now, yelling super into the woman's half pipe snowboard challenge. You're the only person watching and it's hilarious. Are you betting on it, dude? Okay. What's up about Andy K, man? Andy K in the house. Where's the other Andy? Andy calling my Gartley a fartly, dude. Belittling and making fun of and insulting the harmonic pattern for the past week. Where is Andy? I can't wait till Andy. It's just Andy. Can't wait till he comes back. Alright. So we can talk to him and see what he thinks about it. Okay, he'll say something about Kim Kardashian's butt. That's what made the market move. Alright. There you go, dude. Oh my god, dude. Are you kidding me? Yeah. Oh yeah. All right, let's do it. Let's do this thing. J.C. Penney, Leroy Jenkins. Here you go, J.C. Penney. Do you see? Do you see? High point to low point. 1 and 2 on the bottom, just 1 on the top. 25% support, somewhat. Heartline support. 25 resistance. Heartline, and we've just broken it. Oh my god, man. I can't believe you've done this. Either way, really not that special, honestly, dude. It's really not. Let's see here, man. What's the haps, dude? What's the haps? No divergence on the... Not really from here to here. Nope. You didn't really have much bullish divergence, man. Like, you could say maybe from this low to this low, but that's just kind of like, you don't really know, man. It could just keep going down, building more negative momentum and more and more and more, whatever. Congrats on making an impulse up and making a lower high. This is literally a lower high than this high, this high, this high, all the other highs. So doing nothing really special, breaking above the 20 and the 50, and a tremendously bearish trend that is going to be probably impossible to break. I don't think JCPenney will probably ever break out of a downtrend at this point until they're gone, until they're literally gone. Dude, it's JCPenney. It's over, man. The good days are gone. Just like Sears and the other scrubs, all right? Scrub retails. Amazon killed you, as did other companies. Good luck trying to turn a profit. With your brick and mortars everywhere. Okay, it was a great model in the day, down 4.5% today. $1.27. Y'all know what JCPenney's all-time high was? Y'all know? This is back when, you know, they all thought they were better than everybody, and they thought they were like a special high-end brand or something. Some crap, dude. This is up here, man. Oh, yeah, we're JCPenney, man, 2007. We're at $86. Yeah, we're better than everybody. Okay. Yeah, that's a good job, dude. No one cares, right? Yeah, they also thought the same thing in 2000. Okay. 1998. Wow, this is actually before the dot-com crash. Wow. Done beforehand. Dude, do you want to see the largest? I don't know. I don't think we retraced properly. Anyway, it could have looked like a crab pattern, right? Crab people taste like crab, talk like people. Anyway, man, I don't know. I'm feeling the alcohol a little bit. Oh yeah, I'm a JCPenney, man. I'm just checking out my JCPenney stock portfolio. Yeah, we're sitting at like $84 right now. We're gonna be real good right now, okay? We're gonna retire on JCPenney, dude. All right. Flash forward. What is it? Yeah, flash forward, I guess would be the saying. To like 11, 12 years later, and you're at from $80 to $1.27. Julia.
What is this? The Center for Ants. 80A2 USDT, please, Mr. Sifu Sensei man. Oh, and drank. That's in order.
Drank. Julia, thanks for the 3333 repeating, of course. Done. I have drank. I have completed your command. Whew. Anyway, screw JCPenney. But whatever, dude. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna check it out, Julia. Just give me a sec. Alright. Not bad, not bad at all. Alright, all I can do on ADA to USD is this. That's all I can do. That log scale, just in linear scale. I got normalization. I got anchor point 1, June 2018, 2, July 18, 3, June 2018, 1, 2, 3. Wanted to pick this. Look at the heart line. Resistance, 25 support. Resistance, resistance, support, resistance, support, support. You're finally out. You broke out. You're making higher lows. Look at this. You just can't find a bottom right now. You can't, man. Good for you. Let's go to the daily. Where is the discernible real swing high? We can see it, man. We already have it plotted from your anchor point 1, July 2018 to anchor point 2, from the high to low, December 2018, We've broken to the upside, and we have not even come close to a 23% retrace from that point. That is terrible. You should at least see 6.8 cents at some point in the future. You should. If this is truly the bottom, you would see at least 6.8 cents, okay? You would almost double, certainly, if this was the bottom, okay? The retrace will come, and it will be real. And you would just make a common retrace like any asset, any scrub asset would, okay? That's it. ADA to USD. They're not called penny for a reason. I thought it would be called. They're called penny for a reason because they will soon be a penny stock. SD, JC Penny. Get wrecked. I'm gonna read some chat real quick, okay, man? Just leave me alone. Leave me alone. Unless you're in Iowa and freeze to the snow, exactly, or ice, or in case you get in a bridge accident. In case you're driving across an Iowa bridge, there is a chance, possibly, that the bridge could collapse. Kappa, but not really Kappa, right? Phil, Andy was one of the dislikes earlier. There you go, man. Yeah, dude. Seriously. I don't even know what that means, SD, dude. What's up, one up, Moto? Whew. Sorry, man. Kind of winded, dude. I'm very winded. I think I just didn't have enough. I didn't have coffee or tea before stream. I've just been like kind of drinking, so kind of off. What's the official drink word? Not that you need it. You want to play along? It was divergence. Divergence. Catch up, dude. Yeah, the and or it. Sorry, man, I'm just catching up. All right. What's my favorite movie line? I don't know. My favorite movie line? Do people actually have favorite movie lines? I don't know. I guess right now my favorite movie line is "Should have gone for the head." Princess Raleigh. You know what I'm talking about. King Logan, are you going to go to Hawaii with the crypto couple? I've got the black lung pop. Who's winning the big match, Alex? State. Oh yeah, dude. Hilarious, man. Holy crap, man. Who in here has a bad opinion they want to share? Yeah, who has a bad opinion, man? What's up, Gaming Crypto? It touched you, dude. There you go, man. Weather Warfare. Is this true, man? I don't know, man. I don't know what you're talking about. Anyway, I guess we can go back to home base. I've only been live for like an hour, dude. Alright, but we know a 60-minute candle has just closed on the weekend. We're sort of down sloping right now, which is good. You always want to down slope after an impulse. You don't want to upslope. That is devastating. You know you're screwed soon if you up slope after a huge impulse, exhaustion, boom, big move down coming after that most of the time. 30 more likes. Good God, times are tough, man. Even with a pump like this, that was pretty much spoon fed. Okay, it was like handed. We can't get 100 likes. I don't know what to do anymore. I need to start pushing Patcoin or some other crap. I need to figure out some sort of stupid crap. I need to start doing Ice Poseidon videos or something. Okay. So Jasmine Quarry, thanks for the sub on YouTube. Appreciate it. Yeah, dude, I need to do IRL streams. I need to go get a streamer house, or I need to go on an RV trip, okay, and just bring on people for content, okay. I don't really know what to do anymore. Maybe I just can't do it. Thanks, Drew Crew, man. Even Tom Brady is a member. Nice, dude. Nice. Dude, you don't want to tip me $25, Drew Crew, man. I don't think you'll like the $25 tip. Today's Homesteader, what I think about BGT, it's a new asset on a chart that ran up really high, and it will soon sell off as far as it ran up. It will run down, and no one will think much of it. But right now, it's what we call the flavor of the second coin. Okay, flavor of the second, BTT. Okay, many other S coins have been flavors of the second. It's not really anything new. Okay. Titanic pepperonis. Yeah, dude. Totally. This aggression will not stand, man. I need to get that as a sound clip for sure. I'm the kind of person who has a favorite movie line. Oh no. King Logan's favorite movie line is The Wolf of Wall Street when DiCaprio takes the line of coke out of the double bottom. Yeah, dude. That was such a good technical analysis that happened on that movie. Drink more, only then will the tips happen. When I drink more Zedzerps. Is that true? Normally the tips are what get me drunk, dude. But I guess I'm already on 4, so it doesn't even matter, dude. It's like this is happening either way, right? I'll get 1,000 likes with all those 589 dreams. Who knew, man? Yeah, maybe so, dude. Maybe so. It just sucks, man, because it's like, how could you... I don't know, man. I'd rather just be genuine, be myself, and not have to, like, get up every morning and, like, not be myself. And, like, if I can't grow because I would have to change myself to grow, then I guess it's just, like, whatever. Most people just don't grow, right? So... It's just not worth it, man. Okay. I'm sure there are so many fake people that stream. I'm capped at 4K subs, SD. Pretty much, man. We are the 4,000. It's true, man. The truth is not rewarded. I don't know, man. This community is incredible, dude. Like, I'm so grateful for this community, and that's why it's like, growth's good, but in the end, I'd rather just be myself, because that's what the community that has been built cares about and wants me to be. So, like, to get more, I'm not going to do things that would piss off the existing base, right? I'd never do that. So, Roro, is that even a thing? Why would he do that? Or why would is that something that's a thing? I'm just seriously curious. Just be vague about it. I'm just curious. That's weird. If that's what people do. Become seeking retribution. After this move today, everyone except Crypto Kirby switched to Bullish. The bottom is in with no real reason. And yesterday they say we're going to 1500. Dominique. Everyone except Crypto Kirby. Wait, what? I'm sorry, Dominic. What about me, dude? I'm not either. Like, I'm not like on the other side or that side. I'm like literally right here, right? I stay here. We can zoom out all we want, but we zoom out once or twice because we know already. We don't need to zoom out again. Like, there's just no point. We know we know what the chart looks like, right? So. Viking Knight now for slaying the Gartley. Just saying, Phil Centura. Make me, man. Make it happen, dude. I'm awesome. Don't ever change from Israel. You don't change either. Okay, you be the same too. I like Princess Rally because she's real, is normal, and like gets me, and I don't know, she's cool. There we go, Dominique, man. I don't really keep up, but good to see it, right? The fact is, when you're real, you get a close follower base. When you're FOMO and read stupid news and call a few times XRP, when you call a few times XRP, get fairy tale believers community who live on another world. Yeah, I guess so. Who knew? It's true. What's up, Renee? Oh, does that actually do that? Roro, it does that, man? Wow, how does it do that? I didn't know that's how it worked, man. Wow. Nice, Miss Sheverman. Shirtless Sundays. I'm sorry, Drew Crew. Sunday is the Lord's Day. Not only getting TA from the Lord in his manly state. Pasties are acceptable. Gross, man. Dude, wearing pasties as a man is like grosser than not wearing them. Okay. Roro, it's weird because literally, it's so weird you say that. And the reason I was asking, because like, I think I was literally talking to Princess Riley about the movie, and she asked the same. She was asking questions about that scene. She was like, "I don't get it. Is he actually doing this or that?" And it was like, dude, I don't know. Like, I didn't even like pay attention to even know that was happening, Roro. So thanks for bringing that up. I know it got deleted, but whatever, man. I know it's gross. It is, and not appropriate, but we can talk vague and no one cares. Right? Yeah, Dominique, that's true, man. Sorry, man. It's a local anesthetic. Interesting. You learn stuff new every day, man. I didn't know. Somebody say shirtless. Hi, girl. Hey, side girl. Sorry, but you're not getting your fireworks tonight. I'm putting my foot down. No fireworks tonight. Sorry. Mexican beer nights and so forth. Yes. Dos Equis or Negro Modelo. I love Negro Modelo. Very good. I'm sure they are, Dominique, man. Like, you can't... Dude, everyone's a genius in a bull market. Everyone. In a FOMO market, dude, not just everyone's a genius. Everyone and their literal mother's a genius in FOMO markets, right? SD, what are you talking about, man? Don't say stuff like that, alright? Don't say that, man. I need to know where this local hospital is for scientific purposes. Yeah, there you go, Brian Griffin, man. Go knock it out, dude. Y'all are ridiculous, seriously, man. Drew Crewman, it is a vague pronoun. We've been talking about gross stuff, weird stuff, and that's it. Anyway, you know, give me a sec. I guess I'll get another beer, because who cares, man? A little bit of profit taken. Oh yeah, man, on the Bitcoin swing trade, man. Alright, think about it, man. You don't have to like be staring at your screen all the time for the trade that we had for you. You can go out, work your 9 to 5, your job, come back. You can work. If you're an entrepreneur, you can do your own thing, and then you come back and you're like, dang, dude. Well, I just took my entry because we saw the 1414 on a bullish Gartley pattern. Divergence everywhere, coinciding variables, and we broke the upside. Holy crap, man. I just can't believe it. But I can believe it. You have to believe it. You gotta have faith. Like, how much... There were so many people... What the... Dude, yesterday, day before... Dude, oh my god, dude, this was the funniest one, dude. Remember when we had the upsloping trend line and we broke it right here. Oh, dude, man. The trolling and the negativity and the toxicity, everything that started coming out. It's one red candle. That was all it was, man. One red candle where we didn't even break below this area. People were saying, oh my god, what about your Gartley, man? Ugh. It's like, just give it a minute, man. We could even come down here if we wanted. It's still fine. But it didn't, man. It formed a beautiful textbook Adam and Eve. Double bottom. Kevin Tier or Tear says, I've just started trading crypto in the last 6 months, and you have been my favorite stream consistently for the past couple months since you found me. You think there are many people yet to find this space? Yeah, Kevin Tier. I agree about the space thing. I really appreciate the kind words, man. Let me know and give me feedback, dude, because I can't really get better without feedback. So if there's something I'm not doing right or stuff I'm doing well, affirmation or criticism is always good. Okay, it's not like I'm not going to take heed of that. Criticism's made this channel so freaking good. Like, you think I got here like by myself? I got here to this point of this channel about what I do. The structure stayed the same. That was a vision, but like things I do, it's evolved because people have made suggestions and ideas and they've given them to me, or they told me, hey, this is good, this is bad, right? And I'm like, okay, I'm gonna take heed of that and make changes based on what people tell me, right? So y'all made this freaking show pretty much. I mean, the request thing was from the beginning. That's never changed. I guess the mentality of the show is protecting people from making fatal mistakes with their wallets. That's never changed, but everything else in between has changed a lot. Okay, extremely changed. Brian Griffin's been lurking, man. Oh, stun, man. He's eating stuns, man. He's too. Look, he just gave me 2 thumbs up because his mouth's full of stones, King Logan, dude. Get wrecked, stone man. What is stimulant psychosis? Holy crap, man. What in the world is that? Team Star? Tell us more. Do I believe the trend change is coming? No, gaming crypto. There's no reason to believe the trend has changed at all. Please understand that, alright? Wow. Is the music even playing anymore? Yeah, it is. Just the aesthetic alone next level. Thanks, dude. What do you think, Chillin, for that? Again, all I did was have the idea. He had the vision. Or I guess I had the vision, he had the hands to draw or something. Right? I don't know. Number 93 is for me? Yes! Miami Nights and Benito Tip Wars got us here? Yeah, dude. Remember back before we went nuclear? Man, those days were nuts, dude. Did you know?
Mini chug for chug 3,2,1 go.
Did you know that would, like, I don't have a beer, so that's gonna make me open a beer. Phil, good one, dude. Good one, man. next IPA. After this is gonna be water beer, right? If I make it to another one after this. Okay, hold on. All right, Phil, here's your mini sip, dude. Now what? What do I do? What do I do with my hands, Phil? Did we get those bunched up golden crossed through so far where Bitcoin broke up over all those lines? No, Roro. We have not gotten a golden cross. We're not even close to one. Golden cross on your 50 crosses your 200. Your purple line crosses your red line. We're not even close. That would take a pretty decent amount of time. Probably 3 to 5 days of good price action. You just have a golden cross. Sorry. My God. No fuego, trabajo, but that's okay. No fireworks, but you're inspired to dance either way. You could chug 6 water beers in a row. What am I sipping on? Good People IPA, Indian Pale Ale. All right, that's it. All right, Melissa, y'all be safe out there. Keep the heat on. But I don't know if y'all watch or listen. It's always WRAY. Okay, radio, right? Tipsy Raymond? Who's this Raymond you're talking about? Seriously. King Logan, are you cheating on me? With another Ray? Or something? Good God. Julia, that Re. I just saw that Re. Yeah, Nokia, man. Seriously. It's okay, though. While using the 4-hour chart, it's a wonderful balance between the most significant and the least significant, right? It's just perfect, man. It's just no major institutions use timescales below the 4-hour. You know, they'll use 60-minute just to see confirmation touch points, but for the most part, big banks and institutions, equity technicians, they don't use things below the 4-hour. They use 4-hour, daily, weekly. All right. Bulkowski, he's a daily man. He likes the daily, dude. Like, it's just a swing trader thing. All right. IPAs are strong. Prince Raleigh. I remember when you tried drinking a sip of one. It's terrible. You're not cheating, you swear. Only sampling for quality control. LaCroix is water from the gods. LaCroix. LaCroixes, side girl. That's plural for LaCroix. All right. LaCroixes. Give me a sec. Just relax. Relax, everybody. What the heck, man? I guess it's not here. I'm just looking for something. That's it. Calm it down. Just relax. You want me to explain how my RGB moves, Ms. Jevman? Currently listening to WRLI 107.3 or something, 102.3. Enjoy this live stream. I like when the bell hits up. A little change of pace. VPNs, unlike Bitcoin, have dumped to new levels. Right. It's like I have so much fun. It's so corny, dude. It's so nerdy. But anyway, with my RGB, man, I have Corsair fans that are connected to an RGB Corsair command port inside my PC. It's a little rectangle. They all plug into that component. That component plugs into the motherboard. And then I have an app called iQ, Corsair's lighting app. I also have the Corsair Vengeance RAM sticks, which are also controllable with that application, that desktop application. And I also have 4 different RGB strips that are all made by Corsair that are also controllable in the application. So a big deal with RGB, if you're going to get it and you want controllability, is uniformity. Make sure you get the same brand, but I believe the best RGB makers out in the business is Corsair. Okay, so if you want the best, get Corsair. I do. Probably the next move I might make at some point in the future. It'll be a while because I love this Logitech G510S so much, man. I don't want to get rid of it ever. It's like been with me for a long time. I love it. But Corsair keyboard would let me macro. I could just use a hotkey and change my themes. I have different themes that I've created. The one you saw in Starting Soon, or BRB, right? This one right here. I mean, I made this one today. Literally made it. Looks like the Nazgul computer, right? But it alternates between green and teal. It's a setting called rain. Right? So beautiful, man. Beautiful. RGB class. Welcome to it. Should I post that on the Patreon? Yeah, but match our limited those. So stimulant psychosis is you unknowingly spoke your unfiltered thoughts to everyone for a month. Wow, dude. That's rough, dude. I'm glad to hear that it's gotten better though. Dang, man. You can't send me any IPA in Alabama. It is completely illegal to ship across the state line. Alright, it's got to go through a store or get an ABC stamp of approval for importation of alcohol in this state. So, sorry, man. I know people have tried before. It sucks. Would I go all in crypto? Bitcoin hit below 2K? Absolutely not. Mark Robotic never go all in on anything. Okay. But if Bitcoin goes below 2K, you can't just that question, man. It's like a big ol'. You know what it is, right? It's all.
I don't know, sir.
Right? How do you know, man? Like, what's going on at the time? What are the variables? We're hitting critical support. We're hitting bullish divergence on daily, weekly, monthly time scale. What's going on, dude? Like, you can't answer that without knowing other things. But whatever. Dang, Deemstar, man. That's crazy. What's up, Nim? Corsair sponsor this man already. Yeah, no, I wish, man. Dude, if I could get sponsored by Corsair or freaking Nvidia or NZXT or Logitech, dude, I would be so happy because I really believe in those companies. I love them. They're so good. They make such good products, dude. Right. Now, some of their products are terrible, but the ones that they're good at, they're really good at. So, it's all good. Yeah, it's hard to cross app. It's impossible, I think, man. To get anything like I've got, it's impossible to cross app or cross whatever, buy different components, RGB, you gotta get the same. Mark provide non-trade arbitrage, that's like buying and selling on different exchanges because they're worth different amounts temporarily before normalization. No. So Bob the Builder, that song, I don't know, man. It was a synthwave song I love. I can find out for you, Bob. I can't right now. Well, maybe I can. Yeah, it's called Mr. Serpent is the band, the person, and the song is called Landscape, featuring Polar Zero. Bob the Builder. There you go. This one's called Underwater by Bass Nectar, featuring Tina Malia. Most English viewers won't be awake for a good hour. Yeah, but they were all on for the night stream for y'all, which is my day stream, right? You met a real meme life in person, Kool-Aid Kings? Who was it? Was it the psycho girlfriend, Kool-Aid Kings? Right? Oh my god, dude. Wow, Kool-Aid Kings, that's not good. Going on 7 years now, Mark Bot, man.
I'm at RK1T0 in TH3C at Lind at RM at HN. SCT1PP3DL0RDR@Y. We are the 4000.
Mark it on the calendar. I tip Lord Ray. We are the 4000. Thanks SD for the 25, man. Really appreciate that. Be safe out there, okay, man? Much love. Dang, dude, it's just like ridiculous, man. Like, I don't think whatever I do, man, I keep upping it 10%, 20%, whatever, billion%. We're gonna hit, yeah. Thanks, dude. Oh, did we get 100 fireworks? Oh, yeah. I didn't know, man. Thanks. Fireworks. For Side Girl. Boom. There it is. Kangs. And Queens. Nah, dude, probably early October of 2017, Mark Robot. I didn't really care too much, man. It was like, dude, the stock market was killing it when I got into this market. Hey, Andrew McGill, man, thanks so much for the sub on YouTube. But the thing is, like, really, you know what it was? Like, I was so obsessive over stocks. I would be working my, my career job, like my sales job, and I was always consumed with stocks, dude. Like, consumed. Like, I was really good at what I did, but I started laxing a lot, which you can when you build a good network and stuff like that. You can slack off, as long as the numbers come in. But that was the swing trading and stuff, man. PayPal, Nvidia, Activision, they were just killing it. The whole market was. But I was so high off of gains and the stock market, I needed more, man. I'm like, oh my god, crypto. What is this thing called? IOTA? It's up however much percent over a certain amount of time. Oh my god. 24/7 market, 7 days a week. Dude, that was what got me. The volatility and the 24/7 market got me into crypto. And I really think think anything of it. Besides, it seemed like something that would be good and fun to just check out when the market's closed on the stock market, right? So there you go, market bot. Drink one anyway, SD. I'll drink a sip for you, okay? Jamie Turner, that's easy, dude. What's the most range-bound crypto? US dollar Tether. Stable coin. Appease the Moon Boys, dude. Doesn't share it. We are the Moon Boys. Yeah. Blank man, the Gartley. That's right, Blank man. We did it, man. We did it. Our epic quest has hit one target. All right, we have not made it to Mordor at all. You know that. Yep. Many more mountains to climb, or something, or miles to walk. Hey, Jenna Morgan, man, thanks for the sub on YouTube. Just welcome, dude. Welcome. The Gartley blank, or the Gartley blang. Let's put gang and blank together. Blang. All right. Oh my god, man. Oh my god. We are. Here you go, Dave Jones, man. Here it is. Look what we did. We had the 2618 fib extension, like Kang's, and then we sold off. It all started with the beautiful sexual falling wedge pattern. Broke out of targets acquired, targets hit, ran up 100%. Nope. 1272, 1414, 1618. Nope. See ya, right? Even more. All right. Jeez. What a crazy, crazy run we have been on. All right, so from your low point to your high point, we've retraced almost 50% of the way. I know it's confusing because I've got two different types of fibs, which you can do when you're comfortable. Until you're comfortable, maybe not do it, but I know we have a high to a low to get our fib extensions, and then we have a low to a high to get our retrace. And our retrace is, again, 29 sats is 50% retrace from the low point to high point, okay? That's it. No, but look, man, hold on a sec. Hold on. There is no, so let's go candle to candle. The candle to candle, because there's no wick here, we go candle to candle, wick to wick. There's not a wick down here. So we were really at a 382. Okay, 382 retrace. 31 sets. All right, kind of double bottoms, maybe rallying, but chances are this thing's just going to run up some more, double top, make a slightly higher high or lower high, and then dump again. All right, it's... Yeah, man, look, a huge spike in positive momentum and relative strength. Large spike in negative momentum. What will happen is eventually we'll start trying to run up. We'll still have negative momentum. We'll barely, over time, we'll barely get back into positive momentum territory. And by that time, we might be back up 38, 39 sats, whatever. Maybe even, we get up to 44 sats again to double top. We're going to have extremely lower levels of positive momentum and relative strength than before. And that's going to be the bearish divergence. And then we sell off again. Whatever, dude. Who cares? Hope it helps. Thanks. Okay, dude. What do you want, man? Dave Jones, what do you want, dude? Excuse me. My music stopped. So now I have to find more music. Is this going to be a problem, man? All right. Jeez. That's it, dude. Literally it. The giggle. What happened? Chat's kind of finished up, I guess. It's about the shoe. Gondeli. Alright. Well, chat, I've been live for an hour and 35 minutes. I don't know what you want. All right. It seems like it's cooled down a little bit in here. Just a little. All right. Thanks so much for the 141 people tuned in. If that's true. It looks like my restream broke, dude. Wow. Did it really? It broke on my side. What a joke. Okay, we're back. Yeah, no, man. Look, whatever. Okay. If we know the 1414 was the entry, right? It's time to fib back to the way we were. High point to the low point. So fantastic. The 382. This was the first target, 36.35. Secondary target, 38.18. Third target, arguable, or I guess you could argue what the third target would be, the windfall target. Would it be the top trend line? No, it'd be the 100% retrace. That's your third target. 41.15. That's like you're saying, okay, the third target is always going to be like, all right, it just so happens that the bullish Gartley was what made us reverse our overall trend, which the trend would be this down sloping resistance. We break it. And then that's like one trend, but we have another trend that's bearish since 2018. But then we have another trend which is extremely bullish back from inception prices, 2008 and 9, whatever. So I mean, you're in a downtrend. You're in a downtrend within a downtrend, but those two downtrends are within a very large historical uptrend. If that makes any sense with Bitcoin. And so anyway, you break this downtrend, you're going to retrace 38%, 80%, 62%, or 78% of the way. So that could be very good, but that's a long way away, man. We have to defeat some demons, some orcs from Mordor before to get to the 618. All right, man, we got a long way to go. $200 more for our second target. It's gonna be tough. Not gonna be easy. Just gotta be patient. It's not working. Well, I guess we got it now. I guess it's fixed, right?
I drain the account for thee, Lord Ray. From Big Money, Texas. Roll Tide.
Hey, SD, man. Thanks for the 1337. The elite contribution. Dude. Thank you, man. I really appreciate that. Dude, I'm getting throttled. Whoa, 16,000 kilobytes per second. 21,000. What is happening? Holy crap. Dude, I don't know why it does that. Thanks so much, SD, dude.
Dynamite!
1337 to 25 before. Much love, man. Cheers. I'll drink that. I inspired you, Loke. What you talking about, Matt Shevert? I inspired you, Loke. Let me know, dude. Okay. Interesting. 10% variation, Ms. Shaver, exactly. We have a 15% variation on 3333 repeating course. Cheers, Gaming Crypto, man. Cheers, dude. Alright, so, I don't know, man. I don't know. I guess I've kind of run out of things to go over, right? Kind of run out of things to do a little bit, you know, and it happens, man. All right, we're not moving. It's the weekend. I've been live for an hour 40, and it's been wonderful, man. It's just been wonderful as always. All right, 888, indeed, Mr. Shafferman. So, thank you all so much for the likes, the loves, the dislikes, the new subs, the old subs, the contributions. Couldn't do this without you. I wouldn't do it without you. And you got my word. I'll be back again. So until next time, respect the TA.
Adios, turd nuggets.